Morning, boss.
How are we?
All right, I'm all right. What are you doing?
Yeah, did you trade yesterday?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I
No,
did. I took a loss yesterday.
you took a loss.
Yeah,
Oh, well, that's all right, man. It's not the end of the world, bro. It's not the
yeah.
end of the world. What were you trying to do? Did you try and get him before this sweep?
Um, lovely. Yeah. I was trying to get him before that week. Was it? Was it? No. Um, when did I even like? Shit. Yeah, it was after the sweep. I was trying to scalp after the sweep. Um, at 9. At 9, but price kept going up on 6E.
Yeah.
And
Well,
I kind of
the only
jumped.
reason for that, right, is it's got to clear this liquidity first. One of the assets has to clear the liquidity above, so 6B needed to push. So the only trade was after this candle at 10 o'clock. But it didn't give us an entry model. And then price just continued to push, and obviously it went in our favor, right? Well,
Yeah.
went in the direction of the higher time frame sequential SMT anyway. There wasn't no entry though. There was maybe Fatan, the other girl in the group. She took a model 1 here. That's not my entry model though, bro. But um, yeah, she managed to get something. But what's this candle doing here, right? If we have a look at the daily, we've got a 3 candle model, right? So our draw is this key level, really. Oh, I don't know. Is that doing that again? Yeah, so this becomes our draw today. I know we've got a bullish weekly cycle. We trade what we see, right? Because this is a 3 candle model. Right, so I believe this is going to become our target. What we're doing now, we might have to clear some liquidity above, right? So if we've got this weekly cycle, let me just get rid of this because that's doing my head in. Yeah, after I saw that yesterday, I was just like, oh, you fucker. It was just literally running, and I was like, no. I planned this on Monday. I knew what was going to happen on Monday after that expansion. I was like, all right, I know what's going to happen now. I know it's going to accumulate Tuesday, and I know we're going to go into Wednesday. One of these assets are going to manipulate the high, and we're going to see this dropped. But what it didn't do is give me an entry, which is annoying. But we still got Thursday, Friday to get through. I know we got CPI on Monday.
On Monday?
It's Friday. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my computer. It's running a bit slow. I know I'm streaming as well, but that shouldn't be the problem. So if we got a weekly cycle below, wick below, close above, right? It's a reversal to 50% of the previous day's range. That becomes our draw, so I'm just going to mark 50% out. Something wrong with my internet, it's shocking. Maybe this app. But if this candle's opening higher, where are we expected to go? You know, if this is going up higher,
Yeah.
we expect this to close down, right? Open, high, low, close theory.
Yeah.
We haven't taken any sell side liquidity to fuel the move, right? So we need a double crack in correlation. So we're not getting that at the moment. We're just so this could be the Judas, right? This could just be another inducement for 8 a.m. and then we get the move to the upside, possibly. Well, I'm not saying it's going to happen dead certain, but maybe. Maybe we clear some kind of liquidity. So how you been, bro? You've just been working.
Yeah, been mainly working. Mainly working, just mainly working. Mainly working.
Bonds. Whoa. Yeah, see, look, we're pushing up. We didn't clear no liquidity. What's the time? 0708. So we hadn't even built the first quarter of the hour. Let's go down onto the 15. Oh, what is going on with this? Why is it so slow? It's gonna piss me right off. Can you hear me all right? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I don't know what's going on with the bloody trading views. It's a bit clunky. It's lagging. For fuck's sake. Sorry about this, bro. This is shocking. Okay, so it just looks like we're just going to push out. Did we have an Asia expand? I think that looks like Asia expands. Yeah. That was such a nice push yesterday. That would have been a lovely, lovely, lovely fucking... That would have been printing money. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, no. Let me just have a look what's going on over here. What we got here. Our range daily profile. Have you seen Bitcoin? Yeah.
No. Although my brother did tell me that that thing was rising, something like that. I don't know. Hello?
Hello? Yeah. Sorry,
Yeah,
just...
my little brother did tell me it was rising. I didn't really check it.
I don't know if it's rising, mate. It's just falling.
I don't know if it was. I didn't check it. He was telling me though, just I wasn't really like interested in like crypto and stuff. Like,
yeah, no, I'm not either. I'll tell you what I'm interested in is if when this whole market, this whole asset class is just built on fear and greed, right? This is pure. It's not built like, you know, we don't have news releases. I mean, it does affect it a certain extent, right? The dollar, because it's backed against the dollar, right? But most of this is just player v player, right? And that's why we get these extended moves up, and that's why we get the extended moves down, because like as soon as I hear someone in the gym start saying to me, oh yeah, Bitcoin's going down, I've taken my money out, you know, that is the time to look for buys, you know. And then when everyone's buying, that's when you want to look for sells. That's how you trade this market.
yeah. The same way.
Go on.
Give me a minute. Somebody's calling me. I'll go. Oh.
All right, man. Bye, bye, bye. So I'm just marking out my journal for the day, week 2. Week 2 is a manipulation week, and what we're having here is having this range has formed on the first week. We're getting a manipulation above. We could see price come down and take out this bearish CRT model, higher time frame model. So range formed. We're getting a manipulation on 2 assets above. Okay, 6S and 6E taken previous week's high. So our draw of liquidity is going to be 50%. We didn't quite hit it over here, so that eventually we'll take out this low and then draw to 50% of this candle as well. Let's drop into the daily. So yeah, we've got a bearish 3 candle model. Right, one asset is nice SMT at the top as well, sequential SMT. So really our draw is down here. We are having a bullish signal at the moment, but that might just be to clear some liquidity to fuel the move back down to here. So we'll just see what happens. Bearish daily profile.
I'm back. Sorry about that. I had a call.
Back with a bang.
Yeah. Cool.
We have definitely, so we closed bearish on the daily, right? We've definitely got a 3 candle model. This is definitely our draw of liquidity. This is important. We have got a bullish signal, right? So we've got a bullish weekly cycle, right? So price could, you know, clear some of this liquidity and then go back down, and we'll see a reversal in New York. We have expanded. Wait then, just finishing it. Ideally we'd want to get back above the open, right? We've got the daily open here, and we've got the, so if we were gonna get back above this level and then sell it into these lows, that would be ideal situation. Doesn't look like we're gonna come back now. Thursday is built for reversals though, so maybe this, I don't know, maybe we reversed for this day and then Friday we sell off again. Yeah.
We have news today as well.
We got news today as well.
Yeah. I understand.
I think Tuesday was a mess, right? Because we had NFP on Wednesday. Monday was just setting up the range for the week, right? I think we get something today. I'm positive.
Yeah. We do.
53. I'm just marking out Asia. Start taking down that data again, so I know when it's expanded, when it's not.
We're taking out the previous day's low on
6B, yeah. Yeah, so our target becomes 50%, right? First target anyway. But the higher time frame 3 candle models suggest that we're gonna go a bit lower, right?
Yeah.
So I put more weight on the 3 candle model, to be honest, because that's the higher time frame. Personally. But listen, this is obviously moving. It hasn't given us a setup. I thought we might be lucky here. We're definitely gonna have to. We've taken both. If we go back above Asia, we would have swept both sides of Asia. So, you know, it kind of waters down the setup to take the trade back short, unless we're in a standard deviation. You know, unless we're in Asia standard deviation or a Q standard deviation. When I woke up this morning and I saw that, I thought, oh, yes. Oh. When I saw the weekly cycle this morning, I thought, oh, yes, something nice. It was juicy. It was in the A standard deviation as well. I thought, here we go. Let's hit that. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
I was pissed yesterday when I saw that, man. I tell you what. I planned that trade the whole week. I was like, right, okay, this is gonna happen. This is gonna happen. This is gonna. I was even recording it on the AI, right? I was recording it on Grok, so I could, just run some. I'm trying to build more data with an AI system, right? And I just didn't. It just fucking ran. There wasn't no 15-minute entry either. Oh well. Yeah. So where did you take a setup yesterday? Promise.
It was at the 50% of this like long web. You know, like price like run down.
Here or here?
I took it as in 6B.
6E.
Yeah.
So here.
No, not at the top after the news. That's two. Sorry, I keep using New York time. That was at 2 p.m.
So 2.
2 p.m.
I'll just put in my headphones on. Hello, can you hear me still? Yeah, so 2 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, so you were in this, what, trying to short it? I think, were we not in a standard deviation on one of the assets? Maybe. Maybe. You know. It's trading for you though, isn't it? You know? Yeah, of course it is, man. You got the NFP and you got CPI on the same week. You know, it's a. I thought today was going to be the cleanest day. I was kind of waiting for the end of the week, to be honest. I mean, CPI will be all right in the morning. Friday morning should be okay. Maybe. Yeah. We will. Just a little something. 1, 2. I'm not going to hit my goal if I don't get something. I'm telling you now. No, I haven't taken anything this week. No, it's definitely not. Nothing yet. Hey, Tuesday was just like, mate. There's a lot of signals, but I just knew the outcome of the day, right? I knew the outcome of the day was going to be, like this. Look at the state of it. We had a sell signal, then we got a buy signal, then we got another sell signal. I just knew that was going to do that, and I didn't want to get chopped about, so I was kind of watching price action. Monday, Monday was just expansion, wasn't it? We didn't get that. As soon as you see these bars on Monday, we just know where we're going. We were drawing to previous week's high, weren't we? I said that Sunday. I said if we're going to go down, we're going to have to take previous week's high. That's exactly where that was drawing to. Patience. I think just like we'll get there. when I saw that this morning, though, promise, I thought we were in. I thought, oh, sweet, we're gonna get just a little something, at least. We're just gonna form an SMT setup, maybe. It would be interesting to see what 8 a.m. forms. We could get a bearish bar form, and then we might be able to get a 9 a.m. SMT fill continuation. So maybe if we get an inside bar, then we drop below, and then we can take up. But that's if we don't start like clearing all this liquidity at 8 a.m. So maybe. And then we might have a New York reversal. But remember, Asia's expanded. Asia's expanded. So, but we're seeing there's definitely liquidity in the market. Yesterday was dull before NFP. I thought we were going to go and run the high straight away, and we weren't, and we didn't. It just built and built and built and built. This is all that dicking around until NFP came, and the sequential FCMT did actually form before, but just didn't give us the model was not there, not even on the 15-minute. Trying a short here, bro. You like our model suggests that we need to take some buy side before going down, right? So, what model were you taking there? What, on the 5-minute? Yeah. Here. So with inverted price, you've just taken that, and all right, fair enough. Fair enough. But yeah, I mean, if you can imagine, right? What have we done here? We've just cleared all this liquidity completely. We cleared all this liquidity down to this fair value gap, right? So probably on the 4-hour, 6-hour, something like that, we've cleared major liquidity. It's just been sucked in. What do we need to do? We need to fuel the move back down. So we need to take some more buy side. So the thing to do if you were going to try and short that, you'd have to wait till 5 o'clock, wait for the new cycle, the daily cycle, and then wait for one asset to break that high and then to trade it back down. Unless we like closed on an up bar and then we had some kind of 1-hour SMT fill model, right? Which we didn't, because we've got a straight push. So we didn't have a chance to build that liquidity. We just it's just vacuumed straight down here, isn't it? But you got to try something, haven't you? Oh. So yeah, go on, bro. Who, me? How am I? Oh, mate, I've just learned over the years, mate. I know my model sets up. It's boring to me now. It just is. I'm not doing it for excitement. So it's just like I'm just fine. I'll wait for my setup. It comes. I know it does. You've seen it happen, right? We got 2 last week. Yeah, 2 or 3 last week. All right, okay. This week we know there's loads of news. All right, fair enough. What if I don't get 1, and then I hit 2 next week? So be it. I don't care. I've built so much data on my model, bro, that I just don't care. I know that of a month, I'm more likely to be profitable. I've got like a 70% or higher over a month. I'll be profitable. So I don't care. Like, it doesn't bother me. And plus, I'm trading with my own money now as well. It's not like It's not game mode for me. That's my own capital that I funded myself. Like $22,000. All right, yeah, it's not a substantial amount, but it's enough, right? It's enough to go, okay, yeah, you gotta be serious about this, right? It's not like prop firm money. But like you've seen me trade loads of times, right? I'm quite clear on my model, right? If I don't get all my confluences, I'm not taking a trade. I don't care, right? It's fine. Because all the market is ever doing, bro, is advertising. Right, that's all it's doing, right? It's constantly advertising. Think how many traders are in the market. You've got to think, the more time you're in the market, the more time you're opening up to yourself to losses as well, which I don't like. That's why I don't like scalping like frequently and all that. The more I've just built this thing in my head that, I just want to A+ setups, get in, get out, bosh, done. Because the market is constantly trying to fool you into something. That's its job. That's its job. But and you're constantly trying to beat it. It's like it's a Rubik's cube fighting against you, isn't it? So well, that's the way I see it anyway. We get to a level. There's people going long. There's people going short. It's advertising for buyers and sellers at all times. Because everyone's model is completely different as well. Right? People like you've got breakout traders seeing this, going, okay, I'm going to take this long. You've got turtle soup traders trading this short. Do you know what I mean? It's constantly advertising to take liquidity from other players in the market. So the way I see it, the more times you're in the market, it's like the casino, isn't it? The house always wins, doesn't it? The more you play, the more you lose. You might have one or two wins, right? But the house always wins over time, and that's the way I see the market. Right? The more you play, in the way I see it, is that the more you play, the more times you're opening yourself up to losses. That's the best thing you can do, bro. Yeah. Wow. Only you know yourself, right? But listen, this is. Do you know what? Have you listened to any Trader Dante? Any of his videos on YouTube? Right. Okay. I mean, I listened to one yesterday. That's how much this geezer is. I don't know, man. He just because he's been trading for such a long time, he just knows, and it's just like yourself, right? You know your model. If you take what I give you and then you build it yourself, that's the best way because then you feel like it's yours, right? That's how you become a proper trader. But you know yourself, right? If you're taking something just for the sheer boredom, or whether it matches all your confluences, You know that. And if you're doing that and you're going back through old data and you are just like yesterday, right? Should you really be in that position trying to take a short there? You know you shouldn't. You know that. You know you shouldn't, right? And you know that as well as I do. So it's just trying to stop the impulse, isn't it? And just say to yourself, I'm only going to take the setups that are like A plus. That's it. Other than that, if it's a B setup, what's the point? Or I don't even know. I would probably class the one you took yesterday maybe a C, you know, because we've already had that liquidity's been drawn, so you know, the fuel for the move is not there. But anyway, right? So you need to, yeah. I think you're learning, bro. You're getting there. You're making a huge progress from when we first started speaking, bro. You know, uh, and you're getting better. That's all that counts. You can't ask for more than that. The journey takes as long as it does for everyone. I tell you all the time, all this 2 year bullshit that everyone comes out with. Oh yeah, I was a millionaire in 2 years. It's just complete. It's all it is a marketing scheme. It's a marketing scheme. Anyone that has made any money in this business over a long period of time has done this for years. That's it. I don't know any traders. I only know traders that have done it for 5, 6, 7 years that have actually made money. That's it. I don't know anyone personally that's gone into this business and gone, oh yeah, 2 years that I've started making millions. So I don't trust anyone. Do you know what I'm saying? Right, let's have a little look at the index market, see what we're doing over here. Do you not trade the index? Oh yeah. You did say. If it's continuation, I'll get around it. I was just marking out the weekly. I've marked out that. I've marked out that level up there. Daily. Let's just go drop down. What did yesterday do? So we just had a range daily profile. Range daily profile means stacked confluence. We're looking for a bit more confirmation. Have you bought a journal yet? Promise. Good. Everything you see, you're writing it down, right? Good. It's gonna help you leaps and bounds, my friend. So we do have a daily cycle. Clean that up on the 15-minute. Have we got any free candle models? Let's check the 6 hour. No. Possibly bearish daily. Yeah. bearish daily. But can you see how we're building up the same as FX? So FX is, maybe we go up for some more liquidity. For some reason this one works better. This screen works better for some reason. Like this, maybe it's just the app then, because yeah. Yeah, I've got two 49-inch. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I've made my setup. Well, I've got a proper setup now. Yeah, definitely 249s, and I've got another. I've got all my streaming stuff on my laptop. But come on, man. We got. I'll take this. This is my business. Yeah, they are long, but I've got a big desk and I've got one of them arms that so I stack it on top of each other. I'll put a picture in Discord. I'll show you. So we definitely do have a daily cycle. We could look to short this. See what's going on this. This is just pushing up. I reckon something's going to happen here at 9 a.m. just because we're. Yeah, it's just this. Look. As soon as you go on this screen, it's. What's going on? Why is it doing that? Let me try reloading it. What is going on here, man? It's doing my fucking head in. Yeah, go. Ah, there we go, we're back. Happy days. All assets to do it below that low. That's right at 7 AM as well. Man, come on. That was meant to be our lovely setup of the week, that one there. That one is there. That slightly killed me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I've got a daily cycle. Oh, we're gonna go up here. What's that as well? Hidden sequential. That doesn't mean jack. Hello? Yes. See this little button here? This thing. Go invert. You can't see my screen. Oh. Can you see my screen now? Oh. Oh, I tell you what I've done. Sorry, mate. Apologies, bro. Just fucking not all there, am I? Right, yeah, so I think it's this here, invert scale. Yeah. Yeah, if you do that, yeah, do that, invert scale, and it changes. Yes. Yeah, no worries, it is a little bit better. The only thing is I don't have the sequential SMT indicator to be inverted, you know, because I use, you can see it. Happy days. And when you're trading, do you write everything down, right? You write, so everything you see, if you spot something, because this will also build your confidence and build your, you know. So say if so like today, right, I've written down weekly cycle didn't give me an entry, straight push up. Now looks like we're going for Asia. Where's my cursor? I've lost my cursor. Oh, there it is. That's the only thing about 249-inch screens. This could be anywhere. I keep constantly looking for my cursor. Yeah, because I've got a third screen, haven't I, on my laptop? So I've got that for Discord. So it could be anywhere. I'm constantly looking for it. So when I do this, can you see the screen? What can you see? Can you see NQ? Oh, right, okay. All right, okay, yeah. So, so what it's doing, it's not picking up the screen, it's picking up the actual app window. All right, fair enough. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, wait there. If my OBS, I think. I'm just thinking if my stream. Oh yeah, my stream. It does. It picks up that screen. Just not on Discord for some reason. Useless. But yeah, so there's actually we got a daily cycle on NQ. Because NQ's above, the rest of the assets are below. So this could be coming into 8 a.m. This could be a trade. Could look to take this short if we get the model above the. I bought a new chair, right, and it's I never buy cheap, but it was recommended to me, this chair, like this Bullies. Have you heard this? It's like a mesh chair. It's not the one, mate. Don't buy it. It's terrible. After a week of having it, it's just like it's making all kinds of squeaky noises, driving me nuts. Yeah. Mate, that's so it's comfy, don't get me wrong. It's really nice. It's better on my back. I had a gaming chair before. Like it's not the one. That was not the one at all. But this, it was great for the first week. And now, I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a rocking chair. Driving me nuts. But this is it, isn't it? Don't buy cheap, buy twice. And that's what happens. We shall see what happens here, right? So we got the first cracking correlation on NQ. We're now what's going on? Maybe NQ gives us a little something. Did you work yesterday? Were you working or were you trading yesterday? Okay, so on this, our draw of liquidity is still going to be, well, probably Asia high. It's probably going to get back above that, fill the like a mean reversion, equal to equilibrium, whatever you want to call it. So many different words for 50%. It's crazy. But yeah, anyway, to get back up to that kind of level, I'm thinking we might get this candle model right. We might get this inside bar, and then the wick below the 8 a.m. range to take up higher, possibly, unless we just get a straight push on at 8 a.m. and then ideally we want to. I know we're going to take this, but I would like to see maybe some some Q standard deviation, some extra confluence to take the short, especially after we've had the reversal signal. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. But you can see, right, we've got FX moving up when we've got NQ moving up, but we're looking to take this short, right? So this, we're looking to take NQ short. If this bar finishes like this and we get some kind of model, let's just go on to the daily again. Oh, it's annoying that it's doing my head in. What, that you can't, let me just try and fix that problem. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think I've sorted it now, so it should work. You've got, what have you got there? You've got, and then when I do this, does that come down? Yeah, sweet, happy days. Alright, so now I can see NQ. That's the same as my OBS as well. Right, so yeah, so we're getting this daily cycle. This was also similar price action yesterday, right? We kind of went up, swept, manipulated, got the sequential SMT. This could distribute today because we've been stuck in this tight range, you know. We've been stuck in this kind of level, so you know we've manipulated higher here. So maybe this could go down. I mean, my draw of liquidity would certainly be Asia low and then previous day's low if we get a short. You know, nothing's certain in this life. That's for sure. Right, new candles open. Let's drop down to the M1. Right, it's the first candle as well, so everything's broken above. So the only way I really want to see this now is with a double gap entry. So if all the assets have taken a high, where I would have to wait for a double gap entry. And what I mean by that is clean inversion. So let's just see what happens here. But actually, oh no, the daily cycle's gone anyway. Oh no, we still got one on YM. Okay, so alright, so we still got a higher time frame crack. If we get a double gap, I'm not looking for an inversion. I want to see that. So this might just. Fuck's sake. Oh, come on, go back up a bit. Come on. Don't be like that. Are we in a That's a good sign for 6E though. If we push up, I want to see that open high low close, right? So open high low close. It's the first few minutes of the bar. This could indicate that we could close back lower, form the range. Ideally we wouldn't push up too far though. I don't really want to see these levels taken out though with this bar and then come back down, because I think that would invalidate my trade, to be quite frank. Let me try and get that. Where's that? Oh, come on. Got the one. Just go up. Inversion, but heard your song. Filled that gap. Fucking chair. Throw the thing away. See that break above. What we doing here? We are. Yeah, that's a good sign. We want to see this fuck about. I don't know if it's going to fuck about for the whole. Let's go on a 15-minute. Is this going to be nice or what? No, I don't think it is. Where is the standard deviation level here? Mark that out. In that level there. Didn't even get the micro. Come on, man. It's not what I want to see, promise. I'm telling you. I don't want to see this. So we didn't get the double gap up. So wait for the first quarter to form and see how this goes. The first quarter will form fresh buy-side liquidity to be taken. Possibility one asset could come up, take the 15-minute high, maybe give us a SMT, sequential SMT to get in. What's this doing? Pushing up. Dun dun dun. Yeah, so I've got them stacked on top of each other, but I can move the other one because I'm looking at them both at the same time, right? So I can move, that goes up to my other screen, right? So, and then I can bring it down. But it's just so I can show you what I'm looking at. And that is why we wait for the double gap, not just take the inversion. Need a bit more confluence. It's not there. So your account with Funded Next is not it's not futures then. It's CFDs. But they do futures though, don't they? Yeah, they do. Right, yeah, this is just. No, I don't know about that. I know you have to pay for the data because even on my live account, like Optimus Futures, like see this down here. You can see. Oh no, you can't see it. You can see that my live account, Optimus Futures Live, right? Even with that, I'm paying for my subscription. Yeah. Not on Funded Next, you don't. I'm pretty sure you did. You did have to do that on Top Step. You did have to do that on Top Step. But on Funded Next, they give you. That's why the futures account is pretty good for Funded Next. It's yeah, it is good because you don't have. They don't make you do that. They just say you pass when, and then you have to what's it? Yeah, you just pay an activation fee when you pass. So it's pretty good, right? What's happening here? One over SMT. One asset closed. So I thought we might be able to something. All assets gonna close now. You fucker, man. Yeah. Just singing. Have you been watching gold, have you? Oh, it's gone back up quite a bit, hasn't it? From down there, definitely. Yeah, this is macro, isn't it? But if you look, it's quite similar to what the index chart is doing, right? The index chart has done this for the week. Come on, what is this doing? I want this to come back down. Then the index is... Do I... What's the time? Six E's just shooting up, isn't it? Fucker. That's what we wanted. We wanted that. We wanted that. I wanted that this morning. I woke up and I thought, oh, happy days. Yeah, daily. It's above Asia, isn't it? Going into that level. Bollocks. Bollocks. Promise. I'm not a happy camper. Telling you. See, I've lost my thing again now. There it is. So we didn't get the double gap. All assets above. No. A bit of an SMT there. 15-minute candle is coming though. I mean, we still got 43 minutes left of this candle though, haven't we? So it's not exactly any time soon. Da, 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 da. So this is NQ. We're still. I'm waiting for the 15-minute candles happen. So I'm wondering if we're going to get any buy side taken. Basically, we have had this minor SMT here, not sequential though. 8:30, possibly. Gonna mark the highs. See what happens. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's what we want to see. We want to see some. Oh, to be honest though, it swept the liquidity. And it's look how good these levels are. They're amazing. They don't hit all the time, but when they do hit, they really do work, don't they? Right, bro. I'm gonna take 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go and get myself some porridge and some fruit. All right, bro. I'll be back. Top man. We are literally just getting this push up, aren't we? This is this is one of them weeks, I think. If we look at NQ, we didn't get the entry model. That's just pushing down now as well. We didn't come up and take the 15-minute high. We'd never just pushed. We did get an inversion here after an SMT, but with all assets above, I like to see a double gap entry. That's annoying. Fuck's sake. Let's see how we it's going to be another 24 minutes until this 1 hour bar. We're definitely bearish on the daily profile. They are expecting distribution today. XAMD definitely expected some kind of distribution. That lots of liquidity below this low. Fuck off, NQ. why has that done that? Now the question is that I'm thinking is has this taken enough liquidity to start coming back down? We've got a bullish weekly cycle, haven't we? And we're just now we've got an opposing bearish daily. Now normally I would say that the weekly cycle would be stronger, right? But we have a bearish daily and a bearish weekly 3-candle model. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Motherfucker, man. Alright. This is a big push down now on 6E. So my personal thoughts are, right, the daily 3 candle model here and the weekly. Daily, what's the 6 hour saying? Could go long. Long as well. I'll mark the lows anyway, see what we have. What we got? We got 12 minutes left. NQ done me dirty, didn't even leave me, didn't even give me an entry. Moved straight down. Fucker. Oh yeah. Do 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 do. Ay ay ay. Fucking NQ, piss off. The indexes still seem a little bit slow this morning. What's that, bro? Yeah, I know. It's a pain in the ass. They didn't give me a fucking another another sequential SMT. They didn't take the 15-minute high. They moved. Yeah, the fuckers. I'm pissed. All good is first night. Da 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 da. Oh, 2 secs. I've got to take this phone call. Yeah, that's a bit disappointing. We're just pushing up. I reckon we're going to have to wait for a daily cycle. We're going to close it out there, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be back on in New York. NQ has gone back up, but it's not really doing anything. I thought we might be able to get a SMT fill or something like that and continue this move down, but it's just not doing that.